Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have some spiced rosemary peanuts. What you want to do is take a pound of peanuts, put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then pop them into a 375-degree oven for 8 minutes. And that's literally step number 1. Okay, now that the peanuts have heated up for 8 minutes, you want to place them in a fairly large bowl. And then you want to add a tablespoon and a half of melted butter, followed by a spice mix of 1 tablespoon dried rosemary, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cayenne, and salt and pepper to taste. I would be easy on the salt because the peanuts are already salted, and then you just want to toss to coat. And then just pour into a serving bowl. And that's it. Rosemary spiced peanuts. Done.